Oh my gosh, you poor guys. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my June BoxyLuxe 2019 unboxing slash try on. Once in a lifetime, my BoxyLuxe actually came at a decent time where it makes sense to film this video. I'm going to go to the products pretty fast though, just because it is just a lot of products and I really don't want to bore you guys. So just bear with me. Let me know in the comments down below if this speed is good for you guys or if you would prefer a little bit more in depth of a review. But for now, without further ado, let's jump right into this video. This month's theme is BoxyCharm Getaway. Completely love the whole design. I am actually a really big fan of like a turquoise and pink in combination. I think it just always looks so vacation-y and beautiful. So I'm 100% on board with this. So the first product that I see in here is the Tarte Proclo Blush Cheek Palette. This guy retails for $45 and it's actually this one right here. Now I was extremely excited for this. I'm not gonna bore you guys with a whole bunch of swatches. I did try this out before I started filming this review. It does come with 4 blushes, if that's what you want to say, and it does come with like a bronzer slash contouring shade and also a highlighter. Now I'm not gonna lie, when I first opened this up I was thinking, girl, how am I supposed to get away with wearing this? To be honest with you guys, I already had bronzer on before I applied this just because I felt like it was a little bit too light for me, and it has a lot of glitter as well. It does look really beautiful. I just applied it over my bronzer and that's probably what I'm going to keep using it for. I don't feel like it is intense enough for me. Highlighter, same thing. At first I felt like it was a little bit too light, but I actually think that it worked out pretty well. At least on camera it looks good. The blushes, what I want to say is this one right here is a little bit too shiny for me. I'm probably going to wind up using this as an eyeshadow. These two have a little bit of shimmer but not an extreme amount. I can definitely get away with wearing those. This one is completely matte. This one is actually the one that I'm wearing today. Tarte products are really nice. I love that they're vegan, they're cruelty free and all that good jazz, so you can't really complain, right? And always killing the packaging, so I'm happy I received this. Second product that is listed here is the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. This says that your makeup's supposed to stay a while. Primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth, and this retails for $23. So to be honest with you guys, I haven't really been into primers that much. I'm very oily. A lot of times I feel like primers don't really do me too much of a favor, other than the one from Becca, the one that is like super matte. Sometimes I apply a little bit of that in the T-zone, but just because I just always get oily no matter what I do, you guys. Like there's no way I'm not going to be oily. So when I got this, I didn't really know how to feel it, but this actually feels like a serum. Like you put it on a few drops, you dab it into your face and it actually disappears 100%. So I do really appreciate that. My makeup did apply beautifully, flawlessly. I feel like it is where it's supposed to be. I can't really tell you too much about the lasting power because to be honest, I didn't wear this face for like 24 hours, but so far so good. I think especially for oily skin, this is definitely a good one. Third product in here is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, and this retails for $17. This guy right here, and I was so extremely excited when I saw this, but when I saw the shade I was kind of like, is this Barbie-ish pink, and I just wasn't really 100% a fan. It's also what I topped it off with, and it is super glossy, as you can tell. I love the way the gloss looks. It smells very nice. It has like a sweet scent to it, and the color, I feel like you can't really tell the color too much, at least not for me, as I used it as a topper, but the gloss is very comfortable to wear. Lips are very hydrated. This is a keeper. Now the next product that is in here is the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer, and this guy retails for $85. At first when I saw this I was extremely excited, but then I remembered, girl, living overseas. So this plug right here can't do nothing with. Honestly, I never blow dry my hair, you guys. I'm really thinking about including this into my giveaway just because I kind of don't want to waste it. So therefore I just kind of want to give it to somebody that would actually use it. But I do like the idea. I think it's really cute if you're traveling and stuff. It looks really beautiful. It has a PYT here in like a nice writing, which you can't see. I don't want to take it out the packaging. It's worth $85, and it also comes with like this little topper thing. So next product is the dr.brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll, and it's this guy right here. First of all, I do want to mention I love dr.brandt products, you guys. They are extremely pricey, you guys. This actually retails for, it's not that bad, it's $35, but you have to keep in mind this is a face wash, you guys, so you will use this twice a day. You're gonna run through this pretty fast. When you apply it, it does not foam, but it does leave your face looking and feeling very beautiful. I feel like it definitely still gets the dirt and everything off, but without stripping the skin from its natural oils. So I'm completely obsessed with this. I would actually repurchase this 100%, and I did use this for a few days just to actually be able to give you guys a little feedback. The next product is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. 30 milliliters. It's actually this guy right here. Was really looking forward to this as well. I'm just really into skincare, you guys. I feel like the older I get, okay, the more weight I understand skincare has in my regimen. It is a Korean brand, which, you know, if you know anything about Koreans, they are completely obsessed with skincare and they have great skincare. If you're looking for something good, they definitely got you right there. AHA normally is hyaluronic acid. So this is supposed to exfoliate your skin, at the same time also hydrate it. You're only supposed to use this 2 to 3 times a week, which I didn't know. So your girl's been using this for the past 3 days, just every night. I guess I'm still within the window. Love this. It soaks into the skin right away. It leaves the skin very beautiful, hydrated, but not oily. Like it. So far, I do feel like it is worth the $58 though. The next product is the product that I did not have the chance to try out yet. It is the Living Proof Full Thickening Cream, and the reason I have not been using this is simply because I only wash my extensions once a week, and once I do, it's kind of a process, and I normally do that on Sundays. Today is Saturday night, so I will be washing them tomorrow. And then also, this is a full thickening cream. Not 100% sure if I want to put that into the extensions. I might put it on my own hair though, because my own hair can always use some thickening. But I can tell you guys this much. Normally, typically, whenever I tried out products from Living Proof, I always like them. Open it up like this and the product comes out right there. It smells okay. Consistency feels pretty creamy. Again, other than that, I can't really tell you that much. You get a pretty good amount. Love the packaging. I think the packaging always looks really professional, clean, but not overloaded. I think it's very minimalistic and I'm a fan of that, especially when it comes to products. This guy retails for $28. Next product is another product that I didn't try out, but honestly, just because I completely forgot that I had a mascara in there. And it's actually a mascara, and it also comes with a lash curler. So I am really intrigued by this, to be honest. Hi you guys, as I'm editing this video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I actually did try the mascara out. It's not a bad mascara. It doesn't give you tons of volumes, but it definitely lengthens the lashes a lot. But I find that the mascara is a little bit too wet for my taste, so when you apply it, you have to be very careful. You know, with my hooded eyes, I had it all over the place. But again, it's a decent mascara, not my fave, but you can definitely get away with using it. So this is the mascara. You open it up, pull this down, and here you can curl your lashes. I'm wearing false lashes now anyway, so I'm not really gonna mess with that. And then you just open it up here for the mascara, I guess. Cute idea, probably a little bit too fancy for me. I'm not, you know, don't really have time for all that. If the mascara is decent, I'm just only gonna use the mascara. I mean, what's wrong with that? And last but not least, you guys, the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. This is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. It's enriched with antioxidants, rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, and ginger, peppermint, and damascena rose. This is the product right here. First of all, I love the packaging. I think it looks very classy, very elegant. Your girl is all about that life. Another thing that I want to mention is when I first used this, I used this on my bare skin, and I have just exfoliated my skin and I had nothing on there, and I was just like, let me try this out. And the ginger, you guys, literally burned my skin because there is ginger in there, like they say. It says it is for all skin types. I can't really say too much about it. I don't feel like it's uncomfortable. I used it today as a setting spray. I like the dew that it gave me. I didn't really need any lasting power though. That's why I used this instead of using my Urban Decay or whatever else. I think it's a good idea. I love that this was in there. And love BoxyLuxe. You're not on BoxyLuxe, you definitely have to get in there. So all in all, this month's box had a total worth of $351, which is pretty good, you guys, if you're thinking about the fact that you're only spending $50. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. So typically what happens is if you just received a normal BoxyCharm, you just pay $21 a month and they keep giving you 4 to 5 full-size products. That is normally over a worth of $100. And if you subscribe for BoxyCharm, then every 3rd month, so that means March, June, September, December, you will receive an extra big box where they give you a value over $300 typically, and that is what I did because I just can't get enough of all the goodies. To me, this month's box was totally worth it. Honestly, you guys, if you're still thinking about if you should get BoxyLuxe or not, you definitely should. The only thing that I could have lived without is the hair dryer, but then why? Because I'm just not a hairdryer type of chick. I'm really happy that this time there was no eyeshadow palette, because you guys, I have so many eyeshadow palettes, it's just kind of ridiculous at this point. But that was it for me. If you enjoy my videos, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel for any future videos that have coming up. Also make sure that you give this video a thumbs up so you can become a part of this family. I love you guys, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful start into the summer. Bye.